Alright, there's the greenhouse. Solar panels. Looks like shed from this side. Greenhouse from this side. Water storage. Plants for fish. Some koi in there. More fish. Goldfish in here. There's a pump down there that comes on with a timer down here that pumps water up into these beds, into these little spigots that you see hidden down in there, and they help grow the rosemary that you see here, and the jade, and the cherry tomato monster that we see here. And then yeah, that pump is in the bottom of that. It just cycles it in. There's a ebb and flow system back in there. You can see a little tube on top of a tube, so it rises and falls on its own, raises and lowers the bed, helps add oxygen to the bottom. So it's monitored as well. So you see Raspberry Pi back here. It's picking up the air temperature, the ambient light, the humidity, the water temperature down here. So thermometer, all that as well. And again, some fans on solar circulation, and that's the greenhouse. Some solar lights as well, and water for storage. Tomato monster before. It's huge. And hello little fishes down here. And little fishes over here. Oh, big fish. Alright. There we go. Scary tomato monster going on. Bags full of him right there. There you go. Oh, deep. Hello, koi. Come through, get in the picture. There you go. This tank, they're munching away. This tank, they're like, no, thank you. You took our big buddy today. I think they're really gone. Oh, wait, no, they haven't. Nope, no, they're still scared. It's munching away. Okay, who's the hungriest? Who's the hungriest? Who's the hungriest? Oh, there he is. He's the hungriest. Hold on. The greenhouse at night. That's where the cucumber is coming up. And we're all the way down. And we're coming down to get a lot of plants. And it's typical for a greenhouse.